Hello. We are in Happy Road. We are on Happy Road. Chico Sai just finished 3 songs. We started the day at around 12 noon. We had dim sum.
Baby, 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 my baby, baby, 我全部认识你。
Eric's making us do this new thing of having a texture track. Gawa kami makeshift mic stands. Dahil nakalimutan tayo magdala, nasira pala yung isang mic. Tapos, nag-record kami acoustic guitar. Masaya.